Hey there, this is Carlota and her Instagram account MonkeyBug. Go and give her a follow because she's awesome and she'll be directing this course. I'll just be giving her voice. Mainly, she's more about character design and concept art. She works on a number of networks like Instagram and Behance where you can see her projects with a lot of details. She also works with both traditional and digital techniques, so check her out! So, to start, thank you so much for signing up to this course. In this course, we are going to be explaining with absolute detail how to perfectly design the villain of your stories. We're going to be working on it through angles, so you have to be quite careful. We're also going to be analyzing and comparing the features that we might see as good guy ones with the bad guys ones. We're also going to be comparing heroes and villains to see how they work in the scene. We're also going to be working with shapes, seeing how we can design villains without having to worry about starting from nothing. Lastly, our project is going to be about designing villains bust using the information we are going to be learning in this course. We're going to be making a few sketches. We're going to color them and then we'll get the result we need. In summary, if you are more than a fan of the villains and you wanted to know how to create one, this is your course. Let's freaking do it!